Are you tired of squinting to read the menu or struggling to see the TV screen? It's time to start taking care of your eyes. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 8 foods you can eat to improve your eyesight, from the classic carrot to the mighty salmon, and one you've probably never thought about. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that can help prevent age-related eye diseases, dry eyes, and more. So sit tight, grab a snack, and let's dive into the 8 best foods for your eyes. Number 1 on our list is a vegetable that your mom was always pushing you to eat: carrots. It turns out she was right to encourage you to chow down on these crunchy delights. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in our bodies. Vitamin A is critical for maintaining healthy eyesight, particularly in low-light conditions. A study by the National Eye Institute even found that a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, which can make it tough to see in darker environments. So, if you don't get enough of this essential nutrient, you could be at risk for night blindness. Yikes! But wait, there's more. Carrots are also packed with other eye-healthy nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. These two powerhouses work together to protect our eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. The good news is that incorporating carrots into your diet is super easy. You can munch on them raw, as a snack, or cook them up in a variety of ways like roasting, boiling, or stir-frying. One great tip is to toss some chopped carrots into your salads for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding carrots to your smoothies. Just blend up a few carrots with some fruit and liquid of your choice for a tasty and nutritious drink. By eating more carrots, you're helping to keep your eyes healthy and happy. It's a simple and delicious way to make a big difference in your overall health. Spinach is next on our list. Let's be honest, spinach doesn't always get the love it deserves. But after hearing about the eye-boosting benefits of this leafy green, you might want to reconsider giving it a chance. So what makes spinach so great for our eyes? It's all about lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that act like superheroes in protecting our vision. These carotenoids act as natural filters that prevent harmful blue light from damaging our eyes, which can lead to age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. And the best part, science backs up these claims. Studies have found that individuals who consume high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin are less likely to develop cataracts and other eye diseases compared to those who don't consume these nutrients. Talk about spinach being a real-life superhero. So how can we make sure we're getting enough spinach in our diets to reap these benefits? The possibilities are endless. You can toss some spinach in a salad, add it to a smoothie, or even sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. My personal favorite is to add spinach to my morning smoothie. Just blend some up with your favorite fruits and a liquid of your choice, and voila! You've got a delicious and nutritious drink that's packed with eye-healthy nutrients. Whether you're a fan of spinach or not, it's hard to deny the benefits it can provide for our eyes. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not grab a bag of spinach and see how you can incorporate it into your meals? Your eyes will thank you. Salmon is a superstar fish that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit our overall health, including our eyes. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. One of the benefits of consuming omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon is that they can help prevent dry eyes, which can be a common problem as we age. Omega-3s help keep the eyes lubricated, which can prevent irritation and discomfort. In addition to preventing dry eyes, salmon can also help prevent macular degeneration, a condition that affects our central vision and is one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Scientific studies have found that individuals who consume higher levels of omega-3s have a lower risk of developing this condition. But how can we incorporate more salmon into our diets to reap these benefits? The answer is simple: grill it, bake it, or sauté it. There are so many delicious ways to prepare salmon, making it an easy addition to any meal. One practical tip for incorporating more salmon into your diet is by making a salmon salad. Mix some cooked salmon with your favorite greens like spinach or arugula and top it off with some sliced avocado and a drizzle of olive oil for a healthy and satisfying meal. Another tasty way to enjoy salmon is by grilling it and serving it with a side of roasted vegetables or brown rice. This makes for a delicious and healthy dinner that is packed with omega-3 fatty acids to support your eye health. Salmon is a superstar food for maintaining healthy eyesight, thanks to its high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. By incorporating salmon into your diet regularly, you can help prevent dry eyes and macular degeneration and support your overall eye health. So go ahead and make salmon a regular part of your diet and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. Next on the list, let's talk about a food that's truly a superhero in the world of nutrition: eggs. Not only are they versatile and tasty, but they also provide a whole host of health benefits, including supporting good eye health. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. But did you know they're also high in essential vitamins and minerals that can help keep our eyes healthy? One of these eye-healthy nutrients is vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining clear vision and protecting the cornea, which is the outermost layer of our eye. And guess what? Eggs are packed with it. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds found in high concentrations in the yolk. These nutrients have been shown to help prevent age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration, so they're definitely worth incorporating into your diet. Now let's talk about how we can get more eggs into our meals. One of my favorite ways to enjoy eggs is by making a delicious omelet with spinach. This not only gives you a boost of protein, but also adds some extra lutein and zeaxanthin for even more eye-healthy benefits. Another tasty option is a vegetable frittata, which is a great way to use up any leftover veggies in your fridge. Plus, you can make it in advance and enjoy it for breakfast or lunch throughout the week. Eggs are a true superfood when it comes to maintaining good eye health. Don't be afraid to get creative and try out different recipes to keep things interesting. Just remember to keep the yolk in, as that's where all the healthy nutrients are. Moving on to the next best food for your eyes. Let's talk about a superfood that you might not have expected: blueberries. These little berries might be small, but they are packed with powerful antioxidants that can benefit our eyes in numerous ways. One of the key nutrients found in blueberries is anthocyanins, which gives these berries their deep blue color. These pigments have been shown to help improve night vision and protect against age-related eye diseases. So, it's not just their sweet taste that makes them amazing, it's also their eye-healthy properties. Research has suggested that consuming foods high in antioxidants like blueberries can also help protect the retina from damage caused by free radicals. Now, you might be wondering how you can incorporate more of these delicious berries into your diet. Well, worry not, because there are many ways to enjoy blueberries. You can add them to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal, or bake them into muffins or other baked goods. You can even add them to your favorite salad recipe for a burst of sweet flavor and eye-healthy nutrients. So what are you waiting for? Blueberries are the perfect go-to food for promoting good eye health. And by incorporating more of them into your diet, you can help protect your eyes from damage and support clear vision. The next food on our list is almonds. Almonds are not just a tasty snack, they also offer significant benefits for your eyes. Packed with vitamin E, almonds act as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Studies suggest that a diet rich in vitamin E may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss. To incorporate almonds into your diet, snack on a handful of them, or add sliced almonds to your yogurt, salads, or oatmeal. Not only will you enjoy their satisfying crunch, but you'll also be giving your eyes a nutrient boost. Next up, we have bell peppers. Vibrantly colored bell peppers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a fantastic source of essential nutrients for eye health. Packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, bell peppers contribute to reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. The combination of these antioxidants supports the overall health of your eyes and protects them from harmful free radicals. Add bell peppers to your stir-fries, salads, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack with hummus. Their versatility makes it easy to incorporate them into your daily meals. Last up, we have sweet potatoes. Nature's sweet treat, sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your eyes. Rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body, sweet potatoes contribute to maintaining clear vision and promoting eye health. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in preventing night blindness and supporting the health of the cornea. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes are a versatile addition to your meals. Consider swapping regular potatoes for sweet potatoes to give your eyes an extra boost of nutrients while enjoying a flavorful side dish. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 8 best foods for your eyes. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your overall eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you'll be adding to your next meal. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest uploads. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.